When customers come into your shop or dealership looking to purchase new tires, they aren't just looking for an upgrade. They're looking for confidence that their new tires will provide safety and comfort. If customers purchase Continental tires, they can get those benefits and more, thanks to Continental's Total Confidence Plan. The Total Confidence Plan is Continental Tire's coverage plan that comes with the purchase of any Continental passenger or light truck tire. Let's discuss the 6 features of Continental's Total Confidence Plan and how it can provide customers with peace of mind beyond any normal new tire purchase. First, let's talk about the limited warranty that comes with purchasing Continental tires under the Total Confidence Plan. All Continental PLT tires are eligible for the limited warranty for a maximum of up to 72 months from the date of purchase, and the limited warranty also allows for free replacement within the first 12 months of that purchase. The plan's second feature is the mileage warranty. Continental PLT tires purchased as replacement bearing the Continental name and DOT serial numbers are covered on select replacement products up to 80,000 miles. That leads us to the third feature, the Total Confidence Plan's Customer Satisfaction Trial. Continental PLT tires purchased as replacement bearing the Continental name and DOT serial numbers are also covered for up to 60 days or the first 2 30-seconds of an inch, whichever comes first. If for any reason other than an excluded condition, your customers are not satisfied with their new set of 4 tires within that period, they can exchange all or any one of them for a corresponding number of the same tires or another set of a different type of Continental brand tires. Mounting and balancing also comes included free of charge. The fourth feature, road hazard coverage, applies to all Continental PLT tires that are purchased as a replacement and provides a comparable replacement tire within the first 12 months. When an eligible tire has a road hazard condition during the first 2 30-seconds of an inch of tread wear or the first 12 months from the date of purchase, whichever comes first, the tire will be replaced with a comparable tire. The Continental Total Confidence Plan also includes flat tire roadside assistance, the plan's 5th feature. This includes a 3-year complimentary flat tire change or towing up to 150 miles at no charge. Tires must be registered online to qualify for flat tire roadside assistance. Finally, the 6th feature of the Total Confidence Plan is emergency trip interruption coverage. This coverage includes a 3-year complimentary service designed to help reimburse the eligible expenses resulting from a mechanical breakdown during a road trip. Tires must be registered online to qualify. Continental limits a $200 per day maximum benefit and a total annual maximum benefit of $500. Drivers can view all the details about this coverage at continentaltire.com/warranty. Here they can find the Total Confidence Plan registration URL, where drivers must register their tires to reap all the benefits of Continental's Total Confidence Plan. Additional qualifications may apply. Thanks for watching.